gold smuggling issue that has come up in Trivandrum, using the guise of UAE consulate, is being viewed seriously with utmost attention by the government of India. The government has taken the required steps to find out the culprits. Everyone who is associated with this crime will be brought to book. There is no doubt, nobody should have any doubt about that. My point here is the stand taken by the Kerala Chief Minister in this whole issue. He has said that it has happened in the airport of Trivandrum. And he has also said that the consignment has come to the UAE consulate. My point is that the consignment was addressed to the UAE consulate, but the person who was behind it and the person who was supposed to be the carrier was an employee of the government of Kerala in the Ministry of IT, which is directly under the charge of the Kerala Chief Minister. A person who was accused in a case and who is being investigated by the crime branch of Kerala government, Kerala police, she gets appointed to the Kerala government's IT department. But it is said that she was on contract appointment, but the clout she enjoyed in Trivandrum, the role she played in various government functions, that is beyond her announced designations, and it is beyond her profile, official profile. The contacts that she maintained with all senior leaders of within the government and the ruling party, that has been already clarified by the Speaker of this Kerala Legislative Assembly. He has said that she had very cordial, warm, very close relations with all the personnel in the government. And the Principal Secretary of the Chief Minister, the role played by him, that is ample evidence that there are efforts to protect such characters. So the Chief Minister should clarify and should also clear the cobwebs that are surrounding this related to the state government. So that is the doubt in the mind of the common people of Kerala, common man of Kerala. So the state government, instead of saying that this incident happened in the airport and this was meant for the UAE consulate and that the state government has no role, instead of that, there are many questions unanswered till now, for which the state government has to find an answer and tell the people.